Hi everyone, my name is Sasha, I'm 11 years old, I'm a schoolgirl of the 6th grade. I have many friends with whom we usually have fun and spend an exciting time together. But also, in my spare time, I enjoy studying foreign languages. That is why after school I come to the group in my favorite palace of children's and teenagers' arts. Please meet my palace. He is big and beautiful and is located in a wonderful place on the left bank of the Dnieper River in my hometown Zaporozhye. Here, every child can find an occupation of his interest. Someone are attracted by the group of dancing, someone likes to do arts and crafts, some could be more attracted by sports sections of different orientation. For those who have a good voice, there are solo singing groups and groups of choral singing. For the beginners in fashion, groups of design and style, and etc. The list of all the groups in Palace is very long, and everyone here will be able to find an occupation of his interest. Palace of Arts has opened a new world of foreign languages for me. I'll tell you more in details what I'm doing in there. I have been studying 2 foreign languages for a long time already, English and French. Here they are. I go to classes 3 times a week immediately after school. Here I am taught how freely and correctly speak both English and French. Everything that happens in my classes goes in English and French. It is very interesting. We read and write. I agree, this activity has similarities to the ordinary lessons at school. But here we also carry the games, celebrate holidays and hold contests, and everything only by speaking foreign language. Sometimes it turned out so fun and interesting that I get a huge supply of energy in class. I usually get home in a good mood after my classes, and all the rest of the evening I prefer telling interesting stories about things which occurred to me that day to my parents. Sometimes I even say a few new phrases in French or English to my parents. They certainly really understand me, but I'm adding a few gestures to my story. In general, it turns out great. Then, the next day I like to meet my friends and tell them about my achievements. Perhaps in this I will finish my story. I hope that my discovery of the world of children's and youth's lives in the City Palace of Arts delivered to each of you enjoyment and got you interested in the diversity of its groups and occupations. For me it is a world of foreign languages and international communication, but everyone has the right to choose the interests of his own. I wish you all good luck and the realization of all of your wishes. Believe me, it is so nice when your wishes come true. I guarantee. Finally, haven't I somehow told you this story in English?